Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook. We are going to be doing a breakfast scramble in the Ninja Speedi. This is going to be awesome because it's going to give you another tool on how to use the Speedi and some different ideas and how to think outside of the box. But enough talking, let's get into cooking. Alright, so we're going to start out with what we're going to use. Now remember, you can mix all this stuff up, add whatever you like, but here I got about a half a cup of finely chopped onions, a little more than half a cup of red bell peppers. Obviously use whatever kind of bell peppers if you like. We've got some Johnsonville sausage links. Got some bacon over here. We're going to be using 7 strips of bacon. These are halved. We'll be cutting those up. And then some eggs. We're going to need a little bit of half and half. You can use whole milk, whipping cream, or regular milk, or whatever you like. And then some salt and pepper. So that's pretty much it. So I've got the bell peppers and onions already chopped. I'm going to set those aside. And then we're going to go ahead and cut this bacon up into sizes that you want. I'm going to cut them probably half an inch or so each, because they're all going to be cooked at once. So cut all these. And I've done this with, because today we're going to be cooking this with 5 eggs. I've done a dozen eggs before. It easily fits, not a problem at all. So that's good. So we'll get this bacon cut up real quick, and cut it into the sizes that whatever size you like. That's good for me. Now on the links, now you can get the whole sausage where it all comes in one big chunk. These are on sale, so that's why I got these. Same thing. So on the sausage, we're going to take 6 of these sausage here. Well, you know what? Throw 7 and get 7 sausage in there, and then just cut them into pieces that you like, just like this. All right, and then that's pretty much it for the prep. Now we're going to go ahead and get to cooking, and this is super fast too. Okay guys, sorry, before we get to cooking, one last thing. Get your eggs. I'm actually going to use 6 eggs. We're going to take the half and half, pour probably about 2 tablespoons in there. We're going to add some salt and some pepper. And, just now eyeball this, maybe a teaspoon of each or so. And get this pepper in here. Oh, I love me some pepper. I'm going heavy on the pepper. Yes, good deal. Now, just whisk it up. I got a fork, whatever. You can use a whisk if you want. And we're just going to get this. It's all the yolk is broken up and everything is good to go all together. And then we'll meet you at the Ninja. Alright, so we're at the Ninja Speedi. Let's go ahead and open that up. Inside, just take that little rack out so we're not using anything inside. And the key to this cook is the function that we're going to be using. So let's turn the unit on. And then we actually want to make sure you're over on the air fry side here. And then we're going to go down to the sear and saute function, hit start, and we're actually just going to go ahead and add all of our meat. Sausage, bacon, whatever meat you want to use, kielbasa sausage, whatever, just put it in there. Now this is probably going to cook for, say, about 10 minutes or so, but we are going to cook this whole recipe on this one function, on sear and saute on high. So I'm going to start cooking this, and we'll probably see in about 10 minutes or so. I'll let you know how long it's been, and then we'll take it to the next step. Okay, it's been about 7 minutes, and everything's looking good, and the bacon and everything is almost done. Now you want to add your onions and your bell peppers. You're going to give this about 2 to 3 minutes or so. Ooh, yeah. Get all that stirred around. It's going to start sauteing that bacon grease, that sausage grease. Delicious. So let's say about 3 minutes or so. Let that go. And then we'll be right back for the next step. Okay, so actually after I added the onion and bell pepper, I let it go for about 5 minutes, and now it's good to go. So from here, there's a lot of grease in here. Now you do want to use a little bit of grease. I know some people will use all this grease to just leave it in there. Me, I'm going to do a quick strain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out. So make sure to grab a hot mitt or a mitt. I'm going to take it by the side, and we're going to do a quick drain. So what I mean by that is I'm going to take it to the colander. I'm going to dump all this in. I'm going to shake it a couple of times and then dump it right back in. That's going to allow like the majority of the grease to get out, but you still want a little bit in there. So I'm going to drain it. We'll be right back. Okay, so I dumped it out, just shook it a little bit, dumped it right back in the pan after a few seconds, got almost all the grease out except for the grease that I want to use. Now, from here, we're going to take our egg mixture, so with the cream, salt, pepper, and everything, dump that right in there. Get in there. Oh, this is going to be so good. I make this, I don't know, a couple times a week probably. You can have this breakfast for dinner or whatever. So go ahead and stir everything around. Get it all incorporated in there. Looking delicious already. That cream's going to fluff up those eggs. And from here, one of the tricks that I've learned by trial and error is, and remember we're still on sear and saute on high, is now we're going to close this top for 1 minute and we'll be right back. Okay, so it's been 1 minute. Open the top back up. Things will be getting a little better. There we go. Got the eggs. Looking good. Now from here, it's basically just a scramble. So what we're going to do is just keep on turning this until the eggs are done. Alright, after about 2.5 minutes, just stirring it around. Everything is good. Bottom is clean. Eggs are done perfectly. Sausage, bacon, everything cooked to perfection. Now I'm going to take it off and we're going to garnish it. Take a taste. I can show you exactly how this turned out close up. See you in a minute. Alright, so here we are, finished. We've got eggs, bacon, sausage, peppers, onions. Now if you want, some hash browns, some toast, some hot sauce, whatever you want. But let's go ahead and give this a shot here. Ooh, it's still hot. Oh, the eggs are perfect. Eggs are absolutely perfect. All right, taste of the sausage. This is a meal you can have any time of the day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever. You can even make burritos out of it or something like that. But this is awesome. All right, I'll meet you guys up top. See you in a second. All right, so we're finished with the cook. That is really easy. Throw your meat in there. The whole cook was done on sear and saute on high. Throw the meat, give that a minute, throw the vegetables, throw your eggs, mix it up like a scramble or a skillet, whatever you want. Throw whatever you want with it, but that was easy. And the sear and saute function, I'm loving it because you can do all kinds of different stuff. It has different, from 1, 2, 3, 4, and then high. You can do a lot of soups and different things on there, and you're able to drop the top, which I really love. So anyway, that's how you do a breakfast scramble or skillet in the Ninja Speedi. If you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to give a thumbs up, drop an awesome comment. With that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.